I love Easter, and not just for the chocolate Easter eggs. It's the perfect time to get together family and friends over delicious, comforting food. This year, I've got a flavour-packed menu for you. Pan-fried soy butter lamb chops, easy Easter egg brownies, sweet soy roast potatoes, and a sticky sweet hoisin parsnip, broccoli and carrot roast. Every Easter meal has to have lamb chops. My pan-fried soy butter lamb chops are so easy and make a great centerpiece for an Easter feast. First, season lamb chops with sea salt and ground black pepper. Then heat a large pan and place them with the fat side facing down. Render the fat for 2 minutes until browned, then turn them on their sides. Add butter for richness and Chinghe's premium light soy sauce for an umami, savoury pop of flavour. Sprinkle with fresh spring onions and cook to your desired tenderness. So good. To accompany the lamb chops, I have to have fluffy potatoes, so my sweet soy roasted potatoes will be perfect. First, slice some potatoes into 1-inch pieces. Parboil to soften, then drain and shake well in a colander to fluff the edges. Transfer to a baking tray and season with sea salt and ground black pepper. Drizzle over rapeseed oil and Chinghe's sweet soy sauce. It has a treacly, silky texture and sweet flavour. Then roast in the oven until golden and crisp. Once done, remove and serve immediately. A fabulous, crispy, crunchy addition to the meal. Next up is my delicious sticky hoisin parsnip, broccoli and carrot roast. Place carrots, broccoli and parsnips onto a baking tray and sprinkle over with garlic, chilli and red onion. Drizzle with Chinghe's hoisin sauce for a sweet umami and premium light soy sauce for a savoury pop. Then simply cover with rapeseed oil and roast. Once done, serve immediately. So easy but so tasty. Lastly, a sweet Easter treat, my Easter egg brownie. First, melt some butter and dark chocolate together. Then add Chinghe's premium dark soy sauce for an umami caramel flavour. In a bowl, whisk 3 eggs with sugar until thick and creamy. Then add vanilla essence and the chocolate mixture. Sift in cacao powder and plain flour and fold gently together. Then transfer to a tin and bake. Slice some chocolate eggs in half and press them into the cooked brownie. Then place back in the oven for 2 minutes to melt them down slightly. Once done, decorate with a variety of delicious Easter treats. So yummy and delicious. So there it is, the perfect Easter treat. Let me know in the comments below your favourite Easter dishes, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipe ideas.